Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to remove a bank account or payment method from PrizePicks. Here's a quick and easy guide. Log into your PrizePicks account and tap the deposit button in the top right corner. On the deposits page, you will see all your linked payment methods. Look for the trash can icon next to the payment method you want to remove. If the trash can icon isn't there, it means that 60 days waiting period since your first deposit with this payment method hasn't passed yet. You will need to wait until the period is over. If the trash can icon is visible, click it to remove the payment method. Remember, for security reasons, you can only request to remove a payment method once per calendar month and no more than 5 times in a year. And there you have it. Removing a payment method from PrizePicks is simple and secure. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to PrizePicks support. Thanks for watching.